Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing good. Good morning, Olu. So, I'm having my warm water, and now it's the brushing time. Every student must clean their bed just after they wake up. It not only makes you disciplined but also gives you a fresh environment for study. Clouds are visible, so I think rain might can happen today. And here is my cup of tea. So here I'm starting my day with the chemistry lecture, that is coordination and compounds. So hey guys, I just forgot to introduce myself. My name is Sanjeevni Rangar and I am from the Yakeen batch of Physics Wallah. Actually, Dolly ma'am used to take this lecture of coordination and compounds, but since I really like Pankaj sir teaching style, that's why I'm taking his lectures from the YouTube in his own channel. So I just completed my chemistry video and it's 8:30 a.m. and again I'm taking the second lecture of chemistry, that is coordination and compounds. You might have had heard the shairis of Pankaj sir, which are very famous on YouTube. If you haven't seen it, just go on the YouTube and check it out. The breakfast is looking so delicious. And here I am taking my third lecture, that is molecular basis of inheritance. I usually study for about 13 to 14 hours, but not every day is the same. टाइम ड्यूरेशंस में थोड़ी फ्लक्चुएशंस आती रहती हैं. So now I have completed my bio lecture. But see, it's raining outside and I really love it after so many times. So now I am doing the revision of physics, that is laws of motion. I usually change my study place for more concentration because people usually get bored after sitting for long hours at one place only. The pictures that you see behind me are the pictures of my school days when I was house captain of my house. It was very proud moment for me and those were my golden days. I can never forget. So now just completed my physics revision. My dad just bought calcium bone for Olivia and she is my dog. So when she was jumping, a incident happened that you can see right now. Oh my god. Oh shit, all. I'm so sorry. In the evening time, I water my plants, which is another a very good thing for uplifting my life. Now it's time to make some evening to-do list that I want to do just after I take the lectures. So here I'm starting reading my NCERT of Bio. I read 2 chapters, that is breathing and respiration and also the living world. You can see my right pingy pongy finger is injured. Because of some injury issue, doctor applied some injection on my finger and it got swell up and now it's really paining and my dad suggested me to apply the betadine. Now it's time for the chemistry revision, that is the solution chapter. Few days ago I just uploaded my one video, that is a day in a life of Neet Aspirant, which was loved by many people and many viewers watch it, and I'm really glad that I made that video for you all. Thank you guys for supporting me. I didn't thought that this day might will come when my views will go over 6k or 7k. Just all because of you guys, and thank you very much for supporting me. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe it and also like my video. So I'm ending this vlog over here. So good night everyone and have a nice day. Thank you.